Hello traders and welcome back to the FX Vision, and I warm welcome to the FX Vision. So this is F gold US dollar weekly forecast for the upcoming week, which has already started from Monday, that is 19th of August 2024, and the week ends on 23rd of August 2024. Tell me everyone how is it is going. I hope you must have seen my weekly forex forecast video in which I discuss these different plans and on the gold in my previous video, and I hope you might have earned a good profit. In my this video I'm going to discuss about the gold as it is highly volatile now. I have discussed in my previous videos, all my friends. So in this video, I am going to discuss gold because it needs a proper explanation, and whenever we try to make a plan, we definitely have to study it in a detail so that we know each and every level and every obstacle that comes in front of us. We should know about that. So right here I have an empty chart, as you can see. So you can see my empty chart, and my friends, can you please tell me in the comment section how many of you have earned the profits from my previous videos, so that I can give more analysis for you on gold in future also. So the trading right here we have is for 4 hour. I will do it on daily, also on daily chart also, to complete the to give you the complete benefit. So again, just like every time I do tell you, I'll start the market where I left, what I said, what the market did, and now what will be the next approach I'm going to discuss in today's video. And along with this, I will try to find a safe weekly trade that anyone can trade and make profits as we have made previously. So what I said, one more thing I want to comment right here is that many people want to know what are the levels of my RSS. So levels are period. Look at it, 2080, 20 is oversold and 80 is overbought, and by parameters you can see the set for 14. Apply to close and you can set any style, and fixed minimum is 0 and fixed maximum is 100. So these are the settings. No rocket science in this period. 14, remember the period 14 with 20 and 80 levels. So what I discussed, and I'll keep discussing from 2-3 weeks now, and that was the first thing. Is if I like last week, if I show you the market is 1 2 3 4, and this is 5 zone. So market closed last week right here. Market was at a price of 2428.60, my friends. So when the market was right here, I said that it is going to be a sell area, but right here we haven't seen any sell. So now right here I want to tell you that a sell area is no doubt a sell area. Every time I tell you this to everyone, that the sell area is a sell area, but we cannot just blindly trade. We definitely need some sort of confirmation. So on the daily, it was like when on a Monday we have clearly seen this thing, right? So in this particular buy from right here, I was not interested, and I clearly mentioned that. And 2 weeks ago we took this sell opportunity as well. 1100 pips it was, and from a month or so I am also bullish, because different accounts, different types of accounts, different types of trading opportunities are there, and I don't let it go if I am holding a buy position. And if I see a valid sell position as per my strategy, I will take it. Why? Because for each and every setup I have to set a very minimum stop loss. So obviously I took this one, and just like last week I said that the market will give us a breakout, and after the breakout it will come back down to and will take a retest, and anyone who is interested to take a buy can take a buy all the way towards 2525.75. You will remember I will leave the link of my previous video in the description. So honestly speaking, I could not took advantage of this sell, right? And uh, took advantage of this sell, a lot of it, even though this profit that I get at that time, the take profit of this buy trade was decreased. But I took this trade, I made profit, and I left the market. And the buy from right here, I have that resumed. And since I already knew, I have told you that the market is going to retest 2525 level, so it did. Approximately it did. If it hasn't done, it will do in the future or in the upcoming week. So the first thing that comes in front of me is that 2525.75 is a sell zone. But before that, I want to discuss it right here, that if this was a sell level, why I didn't go for a sell. I switched to the H4 because it was a real time when the market was right here. I was looking for this a sell pattern. First of all, the candlestick formation right here was not so satisfactory for me to take a sell trade. So I was waiting for it, and obviously it was a buy zone, but this was my buy zone. In that situation, if it gave me a breakout and if it take a retest, then I'm going to add a buy from here, one more, but that didn't happen. So sort of double top, there was nothing. So blindly, is anyone going to take a trade? No. So here, as let me check, discussed last week, market continued to the top side of the market and it hit this resistance level, and everyone knows that this resistance level, and it should give some profit around 400 pips to 500 pips of drop it was. But I couldn't make it the profit because I don't want to be greedy. Buy is already running in my long term. And the main thing I want to tell you is that the market came back once again to this broken level, and this is what I want to draw your attention to: a level broken, retested, and it continued. On a daily time frame, we already knew that 2525 is one zone, right? Just have a look at it. And last week I picked the story all away from right here. So very nice setup it's looking at the movement. And this weekly trade, those who got it from right here, if you get it from right here, well, it was a bit or more, but still it is likely as a promise giving around 900 to 1000 pips were guaranteed. But till now so far it's 850 pips. So I think if someone is happy with the profits, they can book. That's fantastic. Now I will be switching to the one day also, so that you can have a look at the market at which I have already told you, from 4 hour to one day. Well, this area played very nicely. Check back please. I request you to check my previous video. And those who ask me how I become bullish from right here, if you want to know I became bullish from right here, how I became seller right here. uh, this is the double top here, and there is a uh, the this is a double top and there is a bottom there, because the candle was very strong. So what's next? Obviously this plan is right here, and I am going to switch all to the fresh chart, and I want to see the monthly. If we see the, let me open my fresh chart. If we see the monthly, we can see it clearly going up, support, and obviously for now the resistance is going to be expected resistance, everyone, right? This is going to be the expected resistance. There is, on daily time frame, the resistance is 2105 around. 2542, okay, is is the resistance level, but 2525 also good level for sell. I am assuming it like this now. As last week I discussed, this area of the support will always be with us. See this 2350. Okay, 2175 and 2350 is around here. So this is now my support zone as the market has reached too high. And I would like to add a line right here, 2277, and the market is clearly going up. So when it reaches here, what I will assume is, since we have obviously like the market is on this one, so the whole market it is on bullish pattern will complete near these two areas, that is 2520, 2525 and 2567.34, and this is going to be my expected sell level. So first thing, if the market bounces off from here, where it will drop towards 61.8% retracement, and the price is 2383, right my friends? The price is 2383. Now here I want to add one thing. Most of the traders, they ignore or it. Whenever you take a trade, it should be with the trend. We cannot leave the trend. I will make a video about it. So my friends, if you say and if you say if you are a beginner and you are watching my video for the first time, and you will say, where is the trend line? This is the beautiful trend line, my friends, which I will be discussing in my for the future videos, how to draw a trend line, and how to make good profits. This sell I have already discussed in my previous video. So to prove that my strategy is working, definitely I know 99 to 100% is working. Just another thing that I discussed in my previous video was that we are on clear channel right here. If you see this on a weekly, you can clearly see it. Obviously this is a very nice channel, and it is clearly pointing towards the area where the sellers are going to take benefit of it, right? Now what happened last week, let me also tell you that on a daily, this level I will discuss. Let's delete me everything for now. This is a support which I'm drawing right now, and the resistance is somewhere here near uh, here, and one was right here. So this is the simple resistance, no rocket science. This is now going to be my resistance. So right here, the all of the bulls will be out of the market, at least those who are on buy with me from right here. They are already 95% of them are out, and the 5% are still looking for the further 600 pips of move. Now we have two levels, and now I will analysis on H4 for you. But this last week was a sell area for us, right? This we took advantage of it 2 weeks ago. Oh, sorry, it was a celebrated 2 weeks ago. And then what happened is 1 2 3 4 and 5 right here was a H4 sell area, which I'm pointing right now. There was an H4 sell area. Please close attention. This is something for you, you can and unlearn. Where was that sell area? The sell area that I discussed is this one. So this was a take profit zone. Most of the traders, they left the position. Even I left some positions, and same as I discussed, a breakout and retest and continuation. Didn't it happen? And did it happen? So this is the power of Fibonacci. Now these sellers obviously, why market dropped from here? Most of the traders, they think the beginner ones, even lot of the mentors, they also do this mistake. I don't recommend that. Most of the traders say it dropped because there was a resistance, but I say it dropped because there was a resistance, but the market has to establish a support for the future buying. So it came down and it took a fresh retest. Did you get my point, my friends? If I switch to the H1, as per my formula, there was a fantastic sell opportunity as well. One touch, second touch, third touch, and sell, which was with 100 pips of stop loss. So if a person can generate 420 pips, it was not bad. So if you miss this one for further confirmation, and an immediate drop towards the support and the retest level is 336 pips of profit is this much simple, my friend. This is forex, and it is which is very much simple. This is us who makes it complicated for ourselves. So now, what I want to say, let me know, my friends, if you have booked your profit according to my last week confirmation. And please like and subscribe my channel and my videos, and follow me on Instagram. That's all for now. If you want to go for any questions, you can write in the comment box section. I'll give you uh, I'll give you more videos regarding gold and other currencies also in future. So that's all for today, my friend. Bye bye, and have a great week.